My name is Sarah, and today I want to share my healthy day with you. This morning I woke up feeling fresh and ready. I opened my window to let the cool air in. I drank a full glass of water to start my day. Drinking water in the morning helps my body wake up. After that, I did a short stretching routine. I moved slowly to warm up my muscles. I touched my toes, lifted my arms, and breathed deeply. These simple exercises help me feel awake and relaxed. Then I did a beginner workout for 10 minutes. I started with marching in place. Then I did side steps to move my body more. I lifted light weights just to small bottles of water. I moved slowly and safely. Even small exercises help the heart stay strong. After exercising, I prepared a healthy breakfast. I chose yogurt, fruit, and a slice of brown bread. A good breakfast gives me energy for the day. Later, I went for a 15-minute walk. The weather was cool and the sky was clear. Walking is one of the best exercises for beginners. During the walk, I drank more water. Staying hydrated keeps my body active and strong. I stretched my legs and rested my back. For lunch, I chose something simple and healthy. Healthy meals help my mind stay sharp. In the evening, I did light stretching again. I focused on my breathing to relax my body. At night, I dimmed the lights and prepared for bed. I wrote, "I felt healthy today." Then I went to bed feeling calm and happy. This is my simple health and fitness routine for beginners. Remember, small steps every day make a big difference. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow Mastery Method English for more easy English lessons.